this. And these two will go this side. Don't worry if you've chosen a different dinosaur, because these are the same steps, okay? And if you've got plain paper around here, then you can always decorate it afterwards and colour it in with your pens or pencils. So the next thing I need to do is I need to make its tail. So a brachiosaurus has quite a long tail like this. So I'm going to get my paper, use the same piece, and I'm going to draw out my tail. Like this. And then I'm going to cut it out. Okay. And I'm going to do the same as what I've done with the legs. Put a bit of glue on the end. And then I'm going to stick it on. I'm going to stick it on this side so that it looks more forward. On the inside, so I've just stuck it to the inside of the toilet roll, as you can see, like this. Okay, yep, that looks the same. Now, this is the tricky part. If you are making a stegosaurus, your next part is you can put some spikes on the back and on the tail, and you can draw the head and then cut out the head. You can add some detail if you want to. So that's if you're making a stegosaurus. If you're making a triceratops, you're going to do the same, but remember triceratops have this part here. So I've just done a big, and then I folded it in there. So I drew it, then I cut it out, and then I stuck it on. Then I drew the head and stuck the head on. Okay, so that's what you're going to do if you have a triceratops. If you have a T-Rex, you're going to draw the head and cut it out and then stick it on. What I've also done with the T-Rex is for the legs, I've also done big back legs and small little arms, because that's what it looks like in the picture. But I am going to do a brachiosaurus, so I am going to make a long neck, and that's what I'm going to do today. So if you're making a brachiosaurus, then you're going to make the neck next. So what you're going to do is you're going to get another piece of your card or your paper, and you're going to cut 2 long thin strips down your paper. So I'm going to do that now. Try and get the 2 strips the same width, like this. Okay, let's move things to the side. So what you're going to do next is you're going to place 1 strip like this, okay, and the other strip you're going to stick on. So you're going to get your glue, you're going to put your glue on the end of our strip number 1. You don't need to write number 1 or number 2 on your strip. This is just to help you. Okay, and then you're going to get number 2 and you're going to stick it to the end of strip number 1 like this, so that it looks like this. Okay, then what you're going to do is you're going to get strip number 1, you're going to lift it up and you're going to fold it in so it overlaps strip number 2, just like this. Once you've done that, you're going to get number 2, strip number 2, lift it like this and fold it this way over strip number 1. And what you're going to do is you're going to take it in turns and you're going to carry on. Okay, so strip number 1 over number 2, and this one this way. Make sure you do it quite straight. This one this way. This one, oh, this one this way. This one this way, that way. And keep going until